Good morning, families and friends. You see, my title for this morning is Our Greatest Fear, Accountability to God. You see, we fear many things in life: failure, rejection, even death. But our greatest fear should be this: standing before God and giving an account of our lives. You see, Romans chapter 14 verse 12 says, "So then each of us will give an account of himself to God." Friends, that means every word we speak, every choice we make, and every secret motive will one day stand in the light of God's truth. Friends and family, we are accountable for our ray of light and every opportunity granted to us. You see, life is not just a gift, it's a sacred responsibility. You see, Adam and Eve ran from accountability in Eden. David tried to hide his sin. Jonah fled from his calling. But God didn't chase them to condemn. He pursued them to restore. And that's the good news. You see, while we will all stand before the judgment seat of Christ, the same Jesus who judges us also stands as our advocate. You see, 1 John 2:1 says, "If anyone sins, we have an advocate with the Father, Jesus Christ the righteous." You see, friends, so accountability isn't meant to frighten us. It's meant to free us. You see, when we live each day knowing we belong to God, we walk with purpose, honesty, and peace. So let us live so that when God calls our name, we can say, "Here I am, Lord, covered by your grace, faithful to your calling." Because the real question isn't, will we give an account? It's, will we be ready? Amen. God bless.